reviewing fleet trends in Cooperage Intelligence in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how your whole keg fleet is trending over time, fleet size, turns, and days outstanding, so you know whether to buy kegs or just collect faster. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Sales, Intelligence from your dashboard. This shows how your whole keg fleet is trending over time, not just a snapshot of today. The main chart tracks fleet size, how many times each keg turns over per year, and average days a keg sits with a customer before it comes back. A rising outstanding days line is an early warning sign your fleet's getting slower, even before it shows up as a hard loss. Below the chart, customer keg deployment shows who's holding the most and who's overdue. Use the date range selector to compare this quarter against last quarter or last year. Check this before deciding whether you need to buy more kegs or whether you just need to get faster at collecting the ones you already have.